Hello sir, my name is Rajan from BITZ S1G2. Behalf of my group members, I would like to start this presentation by give a brief explanation about our system that we have created and named as Cosmetic Shop Management System. But before that, let me introduce my group members and their position. Here we got Kartiaini anak perempuan Govindan as a project manager, Nur Ashikin binti Samari as design engineer, me Hevda Rajan as implementation team, Danusha anak perempuan Kandashami and Chu Yingjing in functional team. And we all from BITZ S1G2 also. Project background. Cosmetic shop is a shop that sells beauty products. This shop needs a system to store data more systematically and reduce manpower needed in the store. This shop also wants a system to improve customers' shopping experience and also staff's working experience. They want a system to trace stock, view sales report, view product, buy product as a main function. Objective of this system. This system must reduce usage of human resources in the shop, reduce time usage in stock maintenance, ensure the product sold to customers is what they want, ensure the customer satisfaction, and also ensure the profit of the shop. Now let's take a look of UML diagram. There are 6 main classes in this system, which is customer, stock, user, staff, receipt and spend. In customer class, there are no variable, but there are only one method, which is purchase product. In user class, there are 3 variables: user ID, username and password, and also 2 methods, which is login, insert new user. For staff, there are no variable, but method as new stock, update stock, view stock and delete stock. In stock class, there are some variable such as product ID, quantity, price, status and name. In spend class, there are one variable, which is total amount, and one method, which is calculate total amount. In receipt class, there are one variable, which is invoice number, and 2 method, which is insert to receipt and print receipt. Okay, now let's take a look about the errors in this UML diagram. There are 3 different arrows, which is composition, association and inheritance. First, let's see about the composition. There are only one composition arrow. Spend class has a instance of receipt class. Receipt class cannot exist without spend class. The second arrow, which is association arrow, customer class is a subclass of the user class. Staff class is a subclass of the user class. Spend class is a subclass of the stock class. And the last one is inheritance. There are 2 inheritance arrow. The first one, customer class has access to stock class, but stock class doesn't have any access to customer class. Another one, staff class has access to stock class, but stock class doesn't have access to staff class. This is all about the UML diagram.
Okay, good day to Anjun Arsman. So next I'm going to present about our system and the interface. So we just run the code that we have done. So this is our main GUI. We have 2 types of user, which is staff and customer. So first I'm going to try the staff function. So by clicking proceed. So for the staff main menu, we can choose to look about the customer information or the stock information. So first I'm going to look about the customer information. And we can register customer by clicking register and customer name. For example, the customer name is Noel. The password I put it as 1309. Submit. And we see customer successfully registered. And we can check this by check this. Go to our phpMyAdmin, the database, refreshing to the customer. Yes, you can see the customer ID 1002, and then Noel, and the password is 1309. So next, okay, back. And we can search customer. So just now we had the customer ID 1002. Yeah, so you can see customer ID 1002, customer username Noel, and the customer password 1309. And next we can view customer, which is, and the output is this same as the database that we had here. Okay, so next I'm going to show about the stock menu. So for stock menu, we have add new stock, delete stock, search stock, and view stock. For add new stock, so for example, I want to add an eye product, and the name is maybe eyeshadow palette, and the status is available. And quantity, for example, I have 15 stock, and the price is 99.90, and I press submit. Stock successfully added. So same, we go to the MySQL, we go to stock. Yeah, so as we can see, this is the stock available for now. So this one, I0001 eyeshadow palette is which I added just now. So next, we can go to delete stock. So for which I've added just now, I just delete the same thing. Submit. Stock successfully deleted. So actually we can check the available stock by clicking view stock. You can see the I0001 is already not here, and we go to the database also, I001 will be deleted. So next, for search stock. So for example, I want to search the product by the ID face00001. So I just key in the product ID by clicking submit. So the details for the product will be shown. Yeah, so that's all for the staff main menu. I'll log out and we'll go to the customer main menu. So for customer main menu, we have two selection, which is to view product or create order. So for view product, it's actually the same as the function to view product for staff, which will show all the available products here. And customer, for create order, we can select. So this is to fill in which product that we wish to buy. So we have all the products here. So for example, I want to buy LIP 00001, and quantity, for example, I want 2. So we just submit. So successfully added the order, hitting back to main menu. Okay, so to check if the product is actually sold, we can go back to view product again. You can select, and you can see the quantity for the lip 001 just now is 30, now it's already 28. So which means that the product is already sold out. And so we can refresh here also. Yeah, the quantity has already been changed to 28. So that's all about our system. Thank you.